Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a chapter coordinate geometry which is related to 10th grade. As you can see, we already know about quadrants and coordinates, right? So this is a graph paper which I am going to use here, and these are the x and y axis. Now when you draw x and y axis on a graph paper or any plane, that is called as Cartesian plane. Now here this x and y axis divided this plane into four parts. Okay, those four parts are called as quadrants: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, and these are specific. So later they have their own signs. That means in the quadrant 1 the coordinates are plus and plus. That means the first plus sign is from the x-axis and the second plus sign is from the y-axis. Same way, the first minus sign is from the x-axis and the second plus sign is from the y-axis, and minus from x-axis, second minus from y-axis. Same way, plus sign is from the x-axis, minus sign is from the y-axis. Okay, this is the basic idea about the quadrants and coordinates. Next is distance between the points. Okay, let us take some points here. Fine. Now if I want to find a distance between A and B, so what I can do is, see, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That means the total is 3 centimeter. So another way we can find like this: 4 minus 1 will give you 3 centimeters. So, or we can say 3 units. So the next second line is this. You can see the coordinates of this point is 1 comma 1 and this is 5 comma 1. Okay, or you take x-axis here, 1 centimeter starts from 1 centimeter and ends in 5 centimeter, or we can say 1 unit to 5 unit. So if I want to find the distance between A and B, it is 5 minus 1, that means 4 centimeters. So you can see 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, that will give you 4 centimeter. Or you can say 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit, that gives you 4 unit. Same way we can move on here. See, now you see this is, it starts from minus 4 and ends here at 5, correct? Now there are opposite signs. Now if you decide to subtract these, it is not going to work. So what we can do is consider 5 and minus 4 as an absolute value. That means both are plus. Okay, and then from 0 to 5 it is 5 units or 5 centimeter. Same way, 0 to 4 it is 4 units. That means this side it is 5 units and this side it is 4 units. So together it will be how much? 9 units. Okay, like that we can do. If it is in the same quadrant, we can choose subtraction. If it is in different quadrants, you add them. Okay, the next one you can see here, T and U, it is 5 minus 1, 4 units. Same way over here, they are in the different quadrants. Now what I will do, 0 to 3 is 3 unit or 3 centimeter, and 0 to minus 3 is also 3 units or 3 centimeters. So 3 plus 3 you will get 6 units. The next one is PS. PS also you can see from here to here it is 2 units, and from here to here it is 3 units. That means total is how much? It's going to be 5 units. Correct. So that's how we get it. Okay. And the next one is PQ. Okay. PQ, it is in the same quadrant, right? So it starts at minus 2, ends in minus 4. So same quadrant means what we'll do? We'll subtract. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 units. One common thing you can see here, every line is parallel to any one of the axes, correct? So AC is parallel to y-axis, AB is parallel to x-axis, QR is parallel to y-axis, PS is parallel to y-axis, PQ is parallel to x-axis, TU is parallel to x-axis. Okay, now in case if the lines are slanted, slanted means what? Say for example this line TU, it is not parallel to x-axis and not parallel to y-axis also. So in this case you cannot subtract. So what we will do, if you closely observe, it is going to be like a right angle triangle. So since it is right angle triangle, we are going to apply a Pythagoras theorem. Say for example T to U, how much you will get? 5 minus 1, 4 centimeter. S to U, it is 1 unit. So 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter, or 4 unit and 1 unit. You can apply Pythagoras theorem, you get the value of TS. Same way, every slanted line can be converted to a right angle triangle. See, now you can see here, it is another right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Correct? So these all will give you a right angle triangle. So basically you can find the distance between the slanted line which are not parallel to x-axis or y-axis by applying a Pythagoras theorem. That means Pythagoras property or Pythagoras theorem is the base of distance formula. Let us see how this works. Okay, take a point A and B. Okay, so coordinates of A are x1 comma y1 and coordinates of B are x2 comma y2. So y1 is from this point and y2 is from this point. Okay, as we discussed in the third slide. Then this is x1 and this is x2. So hence here it is a right angle triangle. Now if I want to find the length from A to this point or A to C is x2 minus x1. Okay. Now if I want to find distance between B to C or C to B, it is y2 minus y1. So what happened? In a right angle triangle, the length of AC is x2 minus x1, means difference of x coordinate, and B to C is difference of y coordinate. So now we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. As per that, AB square, that means hypotenuse square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so the next distance of AB means distance between AB will be square root of AC square plus BC square. Okay, if you completely convert it into coordinates, you will get in this way: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can see here x2 minus x1 whole square, it is nothing but AC. y2 minus y1 square will be BC square. So this is the distance formula.